We will not let our truck go on the road without having a dash cam installed. An accident reconstruction within the trucking industry in general costs between $10,000 and $40,000. And that's just to reconstruct the story of one accident. So that right there shows how dash cams pay for themselves. It took one of our trial drivers getting into an accident for us to realize the value of them within minutes having access to the dash cam footage. She was able to just go to the safety section of her app, and within minutes that dash cam footage of the accident was there. She showed the officer, and right away it released her from any liability. Well, I can tell you with the incumbent player, the driver didn't have access to the dash cam footage. We actually tested every system on the market. By the end of our testing, it was very clear. All of us came to the unanimous decision that we all wanted Motive. So Motive has 24/7 driver support, a number that our drivers are able to call at any time. And that's especially important to us because our business is around the clock. With other platforms, they didn't have this driver support. Motive has been a game changer with our overall safety program. I think it's brought awareness to our driver safety, and by having the drive scores and also just the visibility that we didn't have prior. I'm very happy with the decision we made with Motive. I can't imagine going back to life without Motive, or have chosen a different provider just because Motive is the partner that you would want all of your partners to be like.